Our next topic is product of economic importance. Most plant products have economic importance in one way or the another. A variety of value added products are made from them. For examples, seeds of coffee are used as drink, latex in the rubber are used as rubber product, pepper is called the king of spices, cocoa seed is used for making chocolate, and queen of spices is a cardamom. The processing and marketing of these resources open door to a wide range of job opportunities. Our next topic is about chemosynthesis. Before learning chemosynthesis, let's recall photosynthesis. What is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photo means light. Synthesizing food with the help of the sunlight is called photosynthesis. The meaning for chemosynthesis is synthesizing food with the help of the chemicals. Examples for chemosynthesis is sulfur bacteria, and this sulfur bacteria is seen both in the land and water. Next topic, ocean at par with land. Like land, ocean also plays a major role in the ecosystem. Small organisms to the giant whales live there. In the ocean also, photosynthesis process take place with the help of algae and phytoplanktons. Phytoplanktons found in oceans are free-floating microscopic organisms that perform photosynthesis. Examples: desmid, golden algae, and cyanobacteria. Different colors of algae are also seen in the oceans: red algae, brown algae, green algae. About 70 to 80% of oxygen in the atmosphere is contributed by algae and phytoplanktons present in the sea. Sargassum is a large brown algae which is seen in the North Atlantic Ocean. This is the only oceanic area where there is no sea route. There are various reasons oceans get polluted. Example: sewage, plastics, oil spills, industrial chemicals, etc. And how we can overcome this by reducing the use of plastics, keep the streams and rivers not polluted, do not throw waste carelessly, keep the seashores tidy. Our next topic is plant Earth's wealth. Plants serve as the cheapest, effective, and natural means for the purification of air. By absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releasing oxygen, plants provide invaluable services to the living world. Plants also have a major role in the mitigation of natural disasters. For example, mangrove forest helps in controlling tsunami to some extent. Bamboo forest, reed, vetiver, lemongrass, etc. protect the river bank from collapsing during flood. Trees and bushes in mountains and hills prevent soil erosion and landslide. It is not when natural calamities happen that one should think about natural conservation. Nature conservation should become a part and parcel of everyone's life. Green plants are the protectors of biosphere. Hence, for the conservation of nature, nurturing of plants should be considered as one's prime responsibility. Only this much for today. One assignment question will be there. You have to write this assignment in the project notebook. And in the textbook also you can see indicator and let us access questions, and that also you have to write in your notebook. If you have any doubt in any of the question, please ask me.